Well, hi folks, and welcome to another Monday Marks Market Update. Today my topic is going to be talking about statistics in the media and how careful we have to be with what they say tells us about the real estate market. First, just wrapping up the week that's been with auctions. There were 97 properties that went to auction throughout Canberra over the last week, and a clearance rate at 66%. So that's another clearance rate in the 60s week on week, and so perhaps that's showing some good pickup and confidence in the marketplace because pricing is just good, attractive, and interest rates are a little bit more stabilised now, so buyers are just getting back to buying property. So let's talk about the media, one of the recent reports we saw, which was the median house price plunging in Canberra. Now we're talking about a quarterly drop of 2.5% and a year-on-year drop of 8.4%. So let's look at what that median price is. It is simply the middle price, where there's just as many properties that sell at this price bracket above as do below. So they call the median price, and they track how that changes and use that as a way of determining the strength of the market. So saying that a median price decreases, they're insinuating there's a reduction in the market values. However, is it actually that simple? Well, let's just think about it. If stock levels have decreased dramatically, which they have, we're noticing a number of the higher end properties not going to the market, sellers that don't actually need to sell, and therefore not transacting properties at this end of the median price. Whereas cheaper properties, more of them are turning over, are skewing the median price this way to the lower part of that graph. And so it's not actually a function of the reduction in values, but just more cheaper properties selling and fewer more expensive properties selling. And that is what changes the median price. So I want you to be very careful listening to indications throughout the media of what statistics tell us, because they don't tell you the full story if they're not analysed correctly. The median price is simply the middle price, and fewer volumes of property at the higher end is going to push that down. Doesn't mean prices are plunging in Canberra like the media will have you sometimes believe. And I guess that's why we want to stem back to things like those clearance rates at 66% week on week, showing more consumer confidence out there. So just be careful what you see in the media. Perhaps you need to listen to media like this to make sure you get the true story. Have a great week. See you next week.